Howdy, everyone. We are here today. Oh my goodness. I thought I switched it to the stream game isn't updated. Why does Stream Element say I'm playing Helldivers 2? Huh. Let's see. View on Twitch. Oh, it says I'm in software and game development. Weird. Well, we're on part 4 of building asteroids. That's where we're at. I just fixed the collision. But I think that is because the sizing is off, maybe. I'm trying to fix the spawn entity section. I need to learn about system link and how to add that to a project. I'll get back on Twitter real quick to show y'all. Let's go over here real quick. Let's see. So what I do, like, if I ran this, I just do, what is it? Alias is GLC. Type GLC. Go to GLC space asteroids. PowerShell. Do 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 do. Are you serious? I wonder if that actually worked. World may never know. As we can see. Maybe I need to make this a different file type. Do do do. Let's learn how to do symbolic links. Hmm. Hmm. See. Okay, so y'all can go here. Rip, so I don't have this installed. Oh, they're all like MK Link or something. I'm a complete noob. I was trying to use this. So I do this, right? Hmm. So wait, do I have to name it the exact same components? So then in here, maybe I need to make a fuller name. Components, right? Hmm. Maybe I need to. Eh. I guess maybe I just need to use get. It's probably like the only real way. It's just to make like a submodule. Which. Hmm. What did I just name it? Hmm. Let's just do this for now. Moving everything into the global that is going to be reused. And then I will make it its own submodule. We're going to rename you to. Mm, see if we can even run the game now. It's going to break. All right. We have a little cleanup. Yeah. I'm probably going to go ahead and move the auto loads in here too. Yeah, I don't say. I think the game manager, I might just be able to. Some of this is not reusable. Some of these scenes and handlers, but a lot of this is reusable. Like these dang node extensions. I've used this every game I've made and just added onto it. Um, well, yeah, let's fix our asteroid. That's kind of what I want to do today. Because when I shoot it, like it doesn't want to. Let's see if this does anything. Invalid said, okay, I don't like that. Hmm. Let's see if I can add this, if this works. Do entity dot sprite 2D dot scale. Hey, did not like that at all. Maybe I just remove that completely. Because I shouldn't, the scale should already be set for it because we already got it designed. Um, go back to Asteroid Manager. Forget the save. It takes it a while to catch up and get an understanding of what it really is. Move this thing over. There we go. Hope y'all have been doing well. I'm just trying to figure out why this type is not working. It gets here, it gets to spawn an enemy. Well, the spawn entity here. Then comes here. Unless I should move it from here. I make like a funk. That's this, right? Make it a string. Oh yeah, I can't do that. Okay. Break. Oh. Oh. Well, they got smaller. Yeah, I need to make that game over screen. I need to fix that too. Ooh, I know what I can do. Like how, okay, so, oh man, where am I? Get random position. Oh, I do already have that in there. I'm trying to think of this through. Sorry. Because what I want to do is like how they're getting a random position around me. They could almost, don't hear me out. Get like a random position around the entity. I don't know how bad that would be. Let's try it out. You know, it never hurts. Crazy, it just spawn everywhere. Oh shoot. Oh. Oh yeah, this gives me random position. In the viewport. Hmm. Because this only does. I'm gonna change this to entity. And it has to be a base entity. I'm gonna give everything. I'm changing everything to use my base entity. This is my favorite. What is up? Yeah, I don't need that. You don't need that. Wait, why do I have this twice? Because if player's null, it shouldn't be running anyways. While loop shouldn't be running anyways. I shouldn't have that twice. All right. What I'm still trying to do is trying to make sure. I'm trying to spawn. Can you help me with something in Godot? Sure. Um, Hold on real quick. Yeah, what's up? What do you need? What's your issue? We can probably figure it out together. I am building asteroids for the 20 game challenge. Oop, I killed myself. Join the Discord. Let me see. Oh, I can't spell. And then if well, when you join, let's see. Say you're in Discord. Um oh, wrong Discord. Say you're in Discord. I should probably be in mod chat so people can't mess with me. But you wave hi, and then you go to readme, you go to roles. I need to add this in the onboarding so that way it's easier. I'm still working on my Discord. But then we have this reaction right here. So then you pick whatever reaction relates to you. And then we have channels that will unlock for you, right? So like if you're a game dev, we have like the game dev. I've been mostly posting Godot stuff in here with me and my homies. We only got a few people in here. But yeah. And then you could either put it in programming for code review or in the game dev section. So I should probably do like help desk. And I feel like this is appropriate. And then yeah, you can post your code stuff here and or yeah, and you just be like, but depends on how long it is. Because if it's too long, do you have GitHub? Because if you have GitHub, you should probably make a gist. And then you can post it here. Or you can make a Notion. So this is my game. I have a Notion template that I use to make document all my. This would be on the template, so you'd get all this right here. But I've been working on a template. I was following what is it, Pirate Software's the demo when he did. So I'm pretty much made it into a Notion template. So that way, when you create a new game, you get a full page that you can fill out. So yeah, you can type in GitHub. You would be like, um, you do like the three little asterisks or whatever, and then you like my. Well, there's a limit to how much text you can post, but um, I was just oop. Ignore me, my keyboard's broken. There we go. And then you could do something like this. Oh, hold on. Actually, I wonder if we can change this. Before you could add like you could add like the code language you want there, and it would syntax it. But I guess GD script's not a part of Discord. We do JavaScript. Yeah, it would be green. Come on, we need to get this supported. Yeah, you could do that, but GitHub probably is the best. I should probably put my project in GitHub. I use Get Cracking. So you could do something like this, and then that would give us a place to like read. I learned in GitHub and Git. This will change your life. Come on. I swear, say. I don't know how to make the code in chat, so I send the code and share. Okay, yeah, that's perfectly fine. What are you trying to do? Player attack animation. Ah, here. Um, I would move. I would. Okay, so all right. So what I would do is honestly. Do you want to know what I would do? Do you want to know all I would do, or do you just want to know how to fix attack, or both? Because if I were you, this is how I would structure my player. So, um, so I would have a handle attack, and then let me go to a different. Let me open a different project. Be mind. I'm still a little bit of beginner too. But you know, okay, so I have you know, the attack animation. So this is just a little test thing I made to learn. Um I can send you a course. I'll die. Oh shoot, I died. I don't have an in-game screen there. Okay, so this is my this is enemy. Sorry, let me go to player. I've since gotten better at setting up my code a little bit, but for oh shoot, I forgot I have a state. I use a state machine for this. All right, let's we can talk. We can do this. Okay, so whenever I have an animations handler. So I have a script like right here, animation handler. It does all the animation stuff. Uh, but okay, so let's do this. Toggle scripts panel. There we go. This will work. Okay, so how I kind of set it up is um I don't know. I always like doing my ready up here at first, right? Um I don't use this. So I don't use this. So I'm gonna get rid of oh my goodness. I'm sorry. There we go. I don't use that, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Oh wait, I lied. I lied. I do use it. I do use it. I lied. Sorry. Okay. So what I do use I like having ready first, so I like putting my physics processor and everything under that. I don't know what player does, but I would put your physics process under player. Um your movement here. I do have a movement handler. I did. If I well, I have two Godot projects, so I can show you how I would do it. With this one here, actually, let's talk about attack first. Okay, I won't confuse you. I'll talk about attack first, and then I'll attack how to restructure a lot of the code. Um, just because I want to keep myself focused, and I want to make sure your um question gets answered. Okay. So what I did was I could probably name this. You could probably do okay. So I did an animation sprite. Do you have an animation sprite? Yeah, you do. It's for A. So for my animated sprite, wherever I have my animations here, um, I have that above my idle and my running animation. So this animation will always happen. And then what I have done also is where's player? Whenever the player entity attacks, these are my player states, but I have player walk state, player idle state. Sorry, it's been a minute since I looked at this stuff real quick. pretty much whenever I, oh here, I had my attack minimized this whole time. That's why I couldn't figure out what the heck was going on. Okay. So whenever I attack with the player, right? I also do have like the flip, do the flip and everything, but whenever I attack, I set the animation to attack. If else, the attack animation is attack, and you know the sprite 2D. I could probably there's a way you can get the frame, so you could be like, it should be animation sprite, but it's sprite 2D because that's what it was whenever I was following the tutorial. I think you should be able to get frame. I think you can get frames from here. Hold on, let's check. So we're gonna go to animation handler, animate sprite 2D. Okay, hold on. Before I just gloss over what I just did there. Um if you hit control and you click say animated sprite 2D, since it'll take you to the documentation inside of Godot. So this is how I figured it out because I was trying to do the exact same thing as you. Your code is if on floor Adele, so the player type, it won't, it just play. I don't know how to. Yeah, that's not how it works. To do TTS, you have to either donate or you have to do bits, and I have yet to set it up on the YouTube side. I'm still working on that. Sorry. Um, sorry, Cold Mask. But I don't think I'm not sure. I'm not sure how that TTS would go through. Okay, yeah, I see what you have here. Play idle, and you have play everything here. My thing is this logic here needs to go above. Like it needs to be greater than everything. Like your walk and your idle animations. It needs to supersede all of that. And because like how I have, because in my animation handler, right? Because I have a section where it pretty much just, if it's what same conditions here, it just handles the animations, right? But how I have it work is in my animation handler, if it is it probably should do it a different way, right? But what I have it is, if it is doing the attack animation and the frames are less than and equal to the total frames, which let me do this real quick. Toggle, let me open up. Oh yeah, it only does one file at a time. Okay, that's why. That's why I say if we can get, there should be a way to get the total frames. Okay, get. So you should be able to get frame count. Returns the number of frames for animation. So you should be able to, like, attack is if the frame less than or equal to, what is it? Animated, right? 2D dot get frame, was it? Is that right? Let's see if it breaks. It does. There we go. You gotta get sprite frames, then get sprite frames, get frame count, attack. Oh no, that's not working. What is this? Huh. So we know it's 8. Let's test this out. Man, I need to go back to this dang documentation. We learning every day. Well, it should be frame. Go easy on me. I don't know all that stuff. Tell me how to fix my code. Put it on the top and still don't work. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to. That's what I'm trying to show you. Because you need a way to prevent it from going to the wrong place. Hold on real quick. I feel like I'm being trolled now. Because now my animation doesn't want to go all the way through unless I broke something. Probably broke something on the player entity side. Knowing my luck. Yep. Alright, hold on real quick. Let me go back here. I'm trying to get it working on my end so that way I can explain to you what I did. Oh my gosh. I need a whole. I need a new keyboard, man. What did I break here? Come on now. There we go. Alrighty, I figured it out. Okay. So I just made mine better, but okay, so what you need to do. Okay, there we go. It works. So if we were to take your code here, what is this? What is the Oh, I died. What is this? CYOTY. Because the reason, okay, so the reason why I'm saying it's not really working, in my opinion, is because you have it in like you could fuse these into one statement. Like, I kind of like these could be two different if else statements, just because like this is like how you have it set up is a little bit in my opinion is kind of limiting on how you can kind of set this up. But I guess if it's okay, so if you hit A, you change the velocity and play the walk animation. If you hit D, you do the same thing. Else, you idle. But you could, if you set, how I kind of would look at it is you would need to move this logic up here, and it'd be like if input action just press F, play. Oh, it'd be like if action is just press F, or it's like kind of this logic right here, where it's like hold on, it's like you have to either, because it has to work where it's like you pressed F, or the animation is attack and the frames are not done playing yet. That way it plays through the frames, and then if it's not playing through the frames and it's not, you know what I'm saying, like if you either have to play the frame, because the frame needs to be playing if you attack, or like if it's attacked, or the frames are still moving. Because I had the same issue. Well, I had the same issue just then, because it was, what's happening is because your idol here, you could probably even put it else here. Else, if you know what I'm saying, else, but you wouldn't be able to attack when you move if you did that. That's the thing. Because what would happen is, if you move while you're attack, then you would just do the moving animation over the attack animation again. So that's why I was suggesting you move the attack animation to the top here, and it would be something like let's just do like a new script. Right. Yeah, let's do. Say I took like your whole movement. Let's just take this here. Let's take your whole player file. So like, I don't care about any of this up here. What is this? Oh. Yeah. I'd move like your physics. Probably below you're ready. Then I would have slide. Okay, so do that up there. So I would do like I would have that here, and then what was it? Oop, what was it? Oh, pressed F, that's right. A dot. It also helps if you do this. Then we get the IntelliSense, the autocomplete, so it lets you know so then I would do something like this, maybe. And just to clean it up, just to clean it up. Oh my, keep messing stuff up. My keyboard's a little borked. If I haven't looked over in some time, I'm sorry. Don't know if you're still there. But this right here, I think this setup right here, I think would work. I kind of move some stuff around here just so I can show you just the movement part. But this is what I would do for your movement or animations too. Movemations. And if you're not, good luck, buddy. And you don't need pass here. You don't need that anymore. Well, Narcross, it was nice chatting with you. Hope I was able to assist you. If not, sucks us up. Probably wasn't there fast enough, eh? What happened? So I couldn't post the code because what? Weird. You fixed it? I was say I was gonna send you a link to what I didn't even know you. All right, yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Yeah, that's what I was going. That's what I was going to recommend. I put it in the link to the Discord to what I had done, but I probably can just open it back up.
Narcos50 just followed.
Hey, thanks for the follow. Yeah, let's say if you did something like, yeah, you could probably, yeah, doing it here works. What did you do? Current interest. Yeah, that your works too. Because I think I got mine to work because I did something like I didn't get to test. I didn't actually test this out, but I did. I did kind of clean it up a little bit. I put your handle flip in a function, and then your jump stuff in its own function, and then like pure movement here. Because I was trying to clean it up so I could show you what I kind of did. But I think I did something like this to work, whereas like if you pressed or oh wait, yeah, A frame is less than like the total frame count, then you do attack. Otherwise, this here. That way you could even attack in the air. Because it's like as long as you have F, as long as F or this is, these two are true, it would be true, you know? But I'm glad you got it fixed. I'm glad you're in the Discord as well. I have a few friends in here. We all post. Again, I have. You might have to go to the discussion board here and actually like jump in to this information, but or I could just. I guess I didn't do anything. Anyways, if you go to the discussion board up here in game dev, and then there it should be pinned. I think you just click on it, or I don't know. I don't know how it works, but anyways, I have like learn Godot. This is the video here that I follow to learn a lot about Godot and get kind of familiar with the engine. They also have a Discord here, which is pretty cool. But I have like links to assets, pixel art, audio tools, the link to the Godot visual scripting tool if you want to do that, a link to Godot shaders. Here are all the embeds. Yeah. Oh yeah, I have an open like an AI model thing here. We post some video. Oh, we also have if you're trying to ever do 3D assets, I have a link to 2D tiles to create 3D models in Crocodile 3D. I probably should move that up here. But that's about it. But glad we could help you out a little bit. I'm about to make a library of nodes and modules I use for my games, so I can pop them into multiple. Um, something to keep up with. I'm new to game. I wanted to learn long ago, but I quit and came back. Just want to make games, so I said I'll make the same game as Luxian. Love is blind to learn the basics. I'm halfway there. Okay. If you are looking for if you're looking for more inspiration, uh, let me see. I'll post this in chat, but the 20 game challenge is also a good way to learn. That's what I'm doing right now because I'm learning how to make games. I always wanted to learn. I learned how to do web development, but I excuse me, I want to make games. So the challenge is like, you got to make games, but then if it loads, here we go. You make like you make here's 10 games to get you started. You either pick Pong or Flappy Bird, Breakout, or what I'm saying. You pick one of these games. They have like overall what you should be learning, and then they have like goals and stretch goals for the game. And then it's pretty cool. So it starts off with like Pong, Breakout, Space Invaders. I'm working on Asteroids. Then you get to pick like I'm gonna do Conway's Game of Life next. Then after that, it has Super Mario Bros, Pitfall, or VVV. I don't know what this game is. Then after that, it's like Worms or Doug Dig. You got Monkey Ball, and then it keeps scaling up until it gets to Minecraft and Portal. And then it also has the complete list of games that you should probably be trying. And then it has more beyond that. It's just that I guess people haven't mapped out the goals for it. So it's an open source project, and it's something that you can keep, you can build towards, So I should probably put this in the resources as well. Not sure if I have already. Who did this? William. Oh yeah, so if you do, okay, not sure if you like visual scripting, but this is what the visual scripting is. So you can make, instead of programming, you make nodes. So if you didn't want to learn how to code, you could try out the Godot orchestrator. I heard the best way to go is to get it from the release and use it as an add-on that way. And again, I'm glad I could be of assistance. Helping you. See, I actually, by helping you learn, not gonna lie, I made a better, hear me out, for my project, for my own code. I made a better attack animation, like logic, like control. I need to learn commands. That was control backslash. So like, I didn't know about spirit right frames, but because I learned about, I could probably do this, get rid of this. Just do less than. See, like my whole animation is better, and it's not hard coded. Well, yes, but by you coming in here and you're like, "Hey, I need help. I need help making my attack animation," right? I then went to my attack animation and was like, "This is how I handled it." And then I went into the documentation to show you like how I handled it and kind of how I learned, and then learned a whole new way, a better way to handle it. So I always believe teamwork makes the dream work. You know what I'm saying? So it's like you help, by helping you, you help me by helping you, because you asked a question and I learned, because I didn't know that I could do that before. Yeah, I think it'd be better if I just remove the embeds from this post. Make it easier to read. Down here, this is a free-for-all. Oh yeah, I probably should add this too. I'm supposed to be programming, but I'm not. Did you have a hard time learning Godot in the beginning? I think learning Godot was the easiest, but that is also because I already program. I do web development full time, so um, learning like the if statements and returns were pretty easy. Excuse me, but then again, I'll go back to the Discord. I found this playlist right here. How to create your first game in Godot. It's the first one right here. And this guy right here, pretty much, I watched all of his videos. And I say, I feel like I was able to, I watched all these videos and just followed along, and I would say by time I got to right here, because a lot of these are small, you know what I'm saying, it's like 15 minutes, like I didn't need that one, I didn't need this one, I knew how to program. Some of these I skimmed through, you know what I'm saying, I watched them at 2x speed, like I just kind of went through it. But by the time I got to the upgrade frameworks, like probably I'd say right here. By the time I got to video 32, I was like, you know what? Time to go for the challenge. I'm gonna go do the challenge now. And then I also, because I did that, I watched this, and then he's starting a new series, but he had a video on menus.
In this video, we'll be creating a foundation for a main menu. We'll have the ability to load up our first level and exit the game. This is a very simple blueprint.
Yeah, so like,
Making this so we can expand upon it in the future when I actually cover things like options menus, level select.
yeah, so I watched him do like this menu video, and then I was like, bet, let's do it. Then I started the challenge. I was like, I can do this, y'all. We can do this. And I made Pong. Could Pong be a little bit better? Probably, but come on now. I need to make my AI a little bit better. But, you know, first game, I was like, hey, does what it needs to do. Got some music in there. Got some sound effects. I didn't know how to do sound effects until I think game 3 of the challenge, when it was like add sound effects. And then of course I went back and, you know, I go back and improve the games. But I don't think it was too hard, but I probably am biased because I am programmer. The hardest part for me was learning the API. Sure you can. It's just repetition. He's got to keep doing it. Do you know how you learn? What's your learning style? That's probably your problem. Nah, you're not dumb. You just probably you just don't know your learning style. You probably need to do like, how do you normally learn new things? Like, how are you trying to learn Godot right now? Okay. Um, you know, I don't necessarily like want to force the tutorial on you, but I really recommend doing this tutorial. Dude, go to here. Go game dev. You're in it now. Watch this video. Watch these videos. Just follow along with it. My cousin, he's here. He did it. He got to the player character section, and he was able to make Pong. He was like, I'm gonna make Pong. Never coded in my life. I'm gonna make Pong now. And he did it. He's been doing it. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, I really like, because this guy breaks it down. So it's like, I open it back up. I'm gonna open it back up. So it's literally like, because I skipped a few of these, but it's like, he has a course overview about what you're gonna be learning. Installing Godot, you already got that. How to take notes, got that. Editor basics, he walks through the editor, talks about that. So if you don't know anything about the editor, you just go through here, talk about that. He goes through GD script basics, talks about what each and everything does. He'll be like, look,
Needing to get into is
he just
covering every data type, just the ones that you'll be seeing the most of. So to start this out, let's first look at int or integers and how we declare variables. So to declare a variable in GD script, all we have to do is write var. Var is a variable declaration. So
That's how he teaches. You know what I'm saying? So you get editor basics, you get GD script basics right here, prototype concepts. You get how to set up your prototype, character basic movement. You know, so he goes through the entire process, breaks it down into small digestible bits. And honestly, by time you get done with yeah, Godot 4. He started off in 4.1.3, but he updated to 4.2.1 halfway through, but it's all applicable. It's all it works. And then I have a link to GD Quest. So it's like you may not, you know what I'm saying? You may not you may not, you know what I'm saying? I have a lot I'm putting resources in there, brother. I'm putting resources in there. I'm trying to learn how to make games, and I'm trying to play games too. You know what I'm saying? Because this is what I've been going through. I started off with this playlist, and then I started off with this playlist. I need to finish this video here so I can learn about director access and everything, and I'm gonna watch this. Once I get a little bit further with the game challenge, the goal is I'll probably pick up this and learn, but they have learned GD script from zero. Hey, you got this. Well, they have like a little game here, so you can learn GD script from zero in GD Quest. So there are a lot of resources here. And then I've been using Chiptune, this little guy for music. Not for music, but for sounds. So we like say you got a coin. I was hoping they would make a sampler and a sequencer, but they never did. But this is a free tool on itch.io. It is in here. Okay. That's cool. But yeah. I stream Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will be I'll be doing a 24-hour Friday, but you can look through here. But yeah. I'm gonna get back to Asteroids, I think, for a little bit longer, and then I'm gonna move myself over to good old Helldivers. I don't think I need to make add-ons. I'm trying to think of what I need to. I think I can ignore add-ons. I think I need to ignore that. I don't think I need to ignore my but GitHub is probably the best thing you could do for your projects. So that way, learning Git and GitHub, that way you don't lose what you've been working on. Because if you lose what you're working on, you're gonna be very upset. Why do I have a date? Whatever. Da, 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 da. I'm trying to think of the best way to get a random position from this target, because this is a random position from the viewport. I need a random position around an item. All right, good night. You have a good night. Have a good sleep, and you will be able to make games. I believe in you. And I'm gonna get this dang collision for the asteroids done before I switch to Helldivers. Is what I'm gonna do. Also, if you like if you're into AI, there is there's a Godot assistant. Mm, 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 mm. Randy range. Reason. Internet code. Mm, 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 mm. Let's try this out, kids. Let's see what we break this time. You know what, Bucko? Hey, we got this working. I think I'm gonna add a timer to the large. I'll make a despawn handler. Hear me out. Okay, yeah, we do something like that. Here, I thought I was cooking. Huh. Okay, so they all. But you would think that. Large. Okay, so I think this will be good. That way, if I like break a couple, right? Of course, everyone's gonna break a few, and you're gonna be trying to break as many as you can. Oh. All right. Well, I got the movement fixed. We got the spawn fix and the size fix. I was able to help somebody out. Let's make the start and an end menu, and then we'll switch over to and I made a despawn handler. That's reusable. Cause I'm gonna be using that despawner a lot. Eh. Yeah, let's go ahead and make the menu real quick. The user interface. We'll start with the game over. You get a divider. Looking for a separator. There we go. H separator. Beam overrides constants for the margin. I'd like to do 18 through. Beam override style will do nothing. I save this whole page. Hold on, let me add new child H rect. Texture rect. And then expand it. Yeah. Save scenes. That here at the regular. Don't have any functionality here yet. I'm gonna go ahead and make it and then pass. Connect. Change this to menu, and then we'll do on menu. And then that means when we go to the player entity, game manager on time add. Wait, I already have this, don't I? But change the pack scene. Ah, I would help if I did signal. It works. All right. Feels good. We're gonna do the. I'm gonna end. We're gonna document what we did here. Fixed our. So we added the player death entity game manager. We added live. We added the ability to track deaths, player deaths, and if the game is over and what to happen. And we made the game end code. And no more changes to 4. I'm gonna go to the BRB screen. Then I'm gonna switch off YouTube and